Hello, family. Welcome back once again. I'm so happy to be here today. Today we're going to look at something that's pretty much very quick, and it's about mail merging. How do we mail merge? What is mail merging? So when we talk about mail merging, this is something on Microsoft Word that helps us very fast to replicate a lot of things like letters, like emails. Maybe you're writing on an envelope, something that has the same content but to different recipients. So let's go very quick and see how we can do this. So we're going to look for our Microsoft Words. We have it up there. All right. Let's get a new blank page. So we have already our blank page here. But what we want is mail merging. We are going to write a letter to different people. Let me say they have asked you to write an invitation letter for my birthday, but you're supposed to invite 120 people. Of course, you will not be writing it one by one on the words like this. So the only thing you can do that's very fast and can help you is you go to mailings. There is this word mailings. So you go and you tap there. After typing on the mailings, we have the start mail merge, and then there is this select recipients. So we're going to start with the mails. So what are we writing? We are writing letters, okay, to different people. So let's start. Dear, maybe we are writing a letter to somebody. So we start with dear. My English is not that very good, but at least I know that you start with the word dear when you are writing. So after writing the word dear, you come to select recipients. Now for us, we're going to type a new list because we don't really have the list. So let me say we have the title, we have the first name, the last name, the company name, the address line one. So depending on what you want to include inside your letter, you will write this thing. But for me, I just want to include the title and the first name. So the title of my first person to be invited is going to be Mr. Thomas. The first name is Thomas. So we shall write Thomas. And then we shall go to new entry. My second person that I'm inviting is Miss Rose. Miss Rose. And then the third person I'm inviting, we go to again new entry, enter, is Miss Sarah. And then the fourth person I'm going to add is going to be Mr. Jonah. All right, I'm going to use with only 4 people, but if you have 100 people, of course, you'll need to type. You can also use other things like the Microsoft Excel, where you can type all these ones before coming this side. So I'm going to show that in another video probably. So we already have that. Let's save it as let me use my name Sam. Okay, we shall use that later. So you see, after selecting the recipients, what these other options will be open for us now to use. So now what do? We come back here. So we come to insert mail, insert merge field. So what are we adding there? We're adding the title. We space it, and we are going to add the first name. endeavor to space it. All right. So that is for the name and the title of the person. So we are inviting someone to my birthday party. So let me write the body of the letter pretty quickly. You are invited to my birthday party that will be on 12 September 2024 at Green Pearl. At Green Pearl. Starting at 2 p.m. So you conclude. To celebrate with you. So we conclude. All right, so we have our letter written here. So we now want to preview the results. Okay. So you see, it brings dear Mr. Thomas. The first recipient is Mr. Thomas. So we go to the next to see the effects of the next. It has already brought the letter that is going to Miss Rose. So we continue typing here until we check all Mr. Jonah. So that's how it comes, and that is how mail merging works. So up to this point, like you have already typed all the data for the people to go with the names of the people and their titles, and you add other things, just like I said, maybe the email address, where they are, their address, their address line, everything about them that you want to add, you can add it at that time. So that is on mail merging. And then you can come and finish from here. You will either edit the individual documents, or you can print them out for the case of the letter, and then or you can send it into their email addresses depending on what you want. So that is how mail merging works. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. See you in my next video. Please endeavor to like and subscribe. Bye.